And let's go to Lynn calling in Sarasota.
That's me.
Hey, Lynn.
Hello. Hi, Joe. I have a question. I have 3 children, and I have grandchildren and great-grandchildren. And we had a will made up many years ago. We moved from New Jersey to Sarasota 15 years ago. And I don't have a will in Florida. Do I need a will in Florida?
Okay, you have a will from what state?
New Jersey.
Well, the answer to that question is your will may be valid in Florida, but it needs to be reviewed to make sure it's witnessed and notarized properly to be accepted in Florida without too much hassle. So let me ask you this. You have a will. Do you want your estate to go through probate?
Well, this is the thing. My husband and I went to the Friendship Center, and we spoke to a lawyer there, and we thought we would do it so that it wouldn't have to, but they wanted so much money to be able to do that, and we couldn't afford it, so we didn't do anything about that. No, my children all live in different states.
Mm-hmm.
I have one in New Jersey, one in California, and one in Switzerland. So,
well, how much money did the attorney want?
I think she wanted something like $800, something like that, and that was a lot of money, and we just couldn't afford it.
Yeah. Well, see, the probate of your estate is going to be when you die.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to probably be 3% of the value of any probate estate, and it's going to take a year of your children's time to go through the probate process with an attorney. 6 months to a year.
Yeah, we went through that. My mother lived in Florida. She had a will in Florida, and we went through probate, and we had to get a lawyer in Florida,
mm-hmm.
and it cost us at that time. Well, this was in 1986, about a little over $1,000, about $1,100 at that time.
Well, there probably wasn't too much in the estate then.
No, there wasn't.
Yeah. So if you take 3% of the value of your assets, and
mm-hmm.
this would be if they would all have to go through probate, that would be a fee. So if you've got a $250,000 probate estate, it'd be $7,500 plus court
mm-hmm.
costs, which is $500 or $600.
Mm-hmm. Is there another way?
Well, yeah, you can do maybe a ladybird deed with your house, or you could do. I prefer the living trust route.
Okay. Living trust. Okay.
But here's the deal. We don't charge anything to review your New Jersey will. So if you want to come in and talk about your options, and I can look at the will, no charge, tell you if would work okay in Florida, and you could go from there.
Where are you located?
You're in Sarasota. We have one of my attorneys goes to Lakewood Ranch, so we're not that far away from you.
Sure.
All right.
Yep.
All right, Lynn. Thanks for calling.
And just find out from.
Yeah, I'm going to close the show here by giving out all my contact information here.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you
just
so
listen
much.
up. All right. Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.